ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను మీకు. ఓకే, hi friends, welcome to Yoke Stock English. Thank you for supporting my videos. If any of you new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, and if you like my video, share with others, and don't forget to give me a like. Today I just want to share some important information. Actually, one of my Telugu YouTube viewer shared with me that he is in India for his visa stamping and H1B. So apparently he was discussed this with me before he is going to India. I mean, there is some petty criminal issue on his history. He was discussing with me that he will get a visa or not. But we cannot judge anything. So anyway, so he has to go. There is no other alternative for him, that he has some personal issues. So he went to India, and in Hyderabad, he went for an interview on March 10th. So till today, he did not receive his passport. His wife and his daughter received their passports. Apparently, they have traveled back to United States. But this guy is stuck in India. Apparently, there is no news from the embassy. And what he sent me a screenshot about his status. I will read with you. Just let's see this. So this is what case is created on 7th March 2025, and the case is last updated is 10th March 2025. Since then, no news. And this is exactly what it is showing when he logged in. The consular officer has approved your application, subject to final processing by the consular section, that it is necessary to issue your visa. Means that is not completely approved. So you must understand there is a difference between approved and issued. That's exactly what they mentioned. A lot of people, I mean, they are thinking that approved means that you got a visa. No, approved means there is no way that you can think that you got a visa. So there may be a chance still they can refuse your visa. That's what they mentioned here. When that processing is complete, the status will change to issued. See, that's exactly. So there is some additional checks going on in your application. Once that checks is completed and they are satisfied, then that status will change to issued, means that you got your visa. Till then, approved means don't think that you get a visa. However, a final screening step must still be completed prior to issuance that could lead a consular officer to conclude that you are not eligible for visa. See, this is where the big catch is. So a lot of people are thinking, they went for an interview, asking a couple of questions. Okay, your visa is approved. Give me the passport. Go ahead. We'll send it back to you. That means don't be so happy. Approved means nothing. There may be additional administrative checkings might be going on your passport. If you don't get passport within a week, that means definitely there is some checking going on your name. So if that occurs, the consular officer will notify you that your application has been denied and your status will change to refused. See, so there may be a chance that even after you get approved, your status can be changed to refused. That's what it is. So a lot of people thinking once my application is approved, it is approved. Definitely not. It is not approved. So I dig some information on this. Actually, there is a news article as well about this. What that says. Yeah, 35 days after visa approval, no passport. This is what's happening in Hyderabad. A Hyderabad resident and H1B visa applicant still awaits their passport. 35 days since their approval. The on-site interview occurred on March 10th, and CEAC website indicated approved on the very next day. That is March 11th. But since then, there has been no update. That's exactly what they are mentioning in the news channels as well. The status still hasn't changed to issued, and the passport hasn't been returned. Several emails to the visa help desk have only confirmed one thing. it is probably stuck in administrative processing. So that means they are simply only giving this answer, administrative processing. So what that means is a 221G, basically that's a referral. So they might be referring your case. I mean, as I shared in my previous videos, actually now USCIS has more powers in terms of immigration to scrutinize your application. So there may be chance that they are gathering some information on particular persons. I heard from him that he actually, one of my viewer in Hyderabad, he said there are few other people like him waiting for the passport, and 40 days, 35 days, nothing happened so far. And the logic in here is his wife and daughter got the passport immediately. That means that itself is telling that he's stuck with some administrative processing. There is some background verification is going on his name. So if you don't get a visa, there may be a chance, because they are recently changing the visa systems as well. Recently 2,000 visa appointments cancelled, and those are all booked by agents. So that is the reason they want more. They're kind of a tightening more on the security wise on their visa approval system and booking an appointment system. So that could lead to a delay as well. Number two, what I can think is the consular officers. I mean, recently there was a cut in the government federal department, right? Because of number of employees or number of applications, or they are digging deeper into your application, anything can happen. So there is, I mean, they don't want to take any chance. They are digging deeper a lot. If any of you watching my video have this experience, so please leave a comment below so that it helps others. And also at this stage, I think I would suggest better not to travel to India for visa stamping. I mean, it's your own decision, but looking at the situations, things are going in a wrong way. If you travel all the way and you don't get a visa stamping, or you still waiting, the biggest problem, you're waiting longer, is you may lose your job. That is the main problem. I mean, which client is going to wait for you 40 days, 30 days, 60 days? So that is the main problem. So that is the reason traveling to India, I think you better have to avoid it. Okay, friends, and other important thing is, like, students, at the moment there is no appointment showing in their websites for students for fall 2025. Apparently there are a lot of plans going on for the students, and they are packing their bags and they're waiting for the visa to be approved to travel to America, but they cannot see any appointments in the system. That could be maybe several reasons. There may be, as I said before, they are updating their application and the number of employees are not like before. I mean, a lot of job cuts in federal government as well. That's also, and a lot of applications that they are going through deep and deep and deep. So anything can happen. Hope they will open slots soon. If any of students watching my video have any experience like this, please kindly mention in a comment so that it helps others. What is your experiences? And also any other embassies, if you went to like a Bombay or Chennai having the same issue with the passport, can you please mention in a comment? So that other people also prepared for that. Okay. Thanks for watching my videos. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.